back for another quick vid. So I finished mocking up the Rovan Slt V5. It's all mocked up. I'm just waiting on parts from Taylor RC and DDM Racing. I'll start restripping everything back down again and put all the new parts in there. A lot of these parts I'll use, but I'm getting new towers and other bits and pieces, new diffs, but it's all mocked up, ready to go. So I'm going to totally max out this Rovan Slt V5. Also, when I rebuild it, a new car, I always buy stainless steel bolts and nuts. They just last a lot longer. Yeah, it should be good. Now, I was going to order another kill switch, but luckily I found one from Electronics, which is great. Still got to do the wiring, a few bits and pieces. Do all the wiring, get all that done. And this steering was completely stuffed. This part here, I've got a plastic one in there at the moment, but the top there, the bearing, the bearing just keeps breaking out. It's all wrecked in there, and they made the steering really hard. At the moment, it's a lot better. Okay. I also ordered a new body for it, which I'm going to have to modify for the new engine as well. The new blue one. Got that the other day. What else have I got? I was going to go the double push-pull steering, but just the way I've had to mock this up, because I'm trying to lighten everything up as well, but yeah, that's going to be in the way, so I won't be using that, so that's fine. I'll just single horn is fine. What else have we got to do? No, that's it. It's all mocked up. Just got to do the do all the wiring, get all that done, and this steering was completely stuffed. This part here, I've got a plastic one in there at the moment, but the top there, the bearing just keeps breaking out. It's all wrecked in there, and they made the steering really hard. At the moment, it's a lot better. Okay. And I've actually got to get some more Loctite as well. But other than that, yeah, it gives you an idea what it's going to look like. Most of these parts will still be on it, but I've got other parts coming from Taylor RC, like I said. But yeah, I can't wait till I get this Taylor 35cc. I reckon she's going to be a ripper. Anyway, guys, it's just a quick one, an update of what's going on. I mean, just waiting for parts now. Alright, guys, I'll see you on the next vid. Alright, cheers, guys. Bye.